There's so many.
Where is it at even? That little fucker is the thing that hit me? Hell.
Kappa is the 10th letter of the Greek alphabet. It's used to represent the key sound and ancient and modern Greek. In ground theory, the connectivity on the ground is given by
He's the hardest champ to play. Actually, like,
the curvature of a curve.
Shen or Sona or LeBlanc or Corki. Well, do you already have a trusty support that you like to play? Because if you don't already have a support, then you might as well, you know, go with Sona just so that you can have something that you can be comfortable with. Because Sona, she's a pretty easy support. And she's generally just OP if you can not die with her. Shen or Sona. Shen is really good right now if you can get tanky enough. Oh, are you good with Blitz? Do you like Blitz? Blitz is like a really hard engaged champion, so say if their team consists of, if they have a really engagey team, then you're not you're not gonna want to play Blitz because then you'll just pull their hard CC into you. So I would probably say Sona just so that you can either play the disengage of Sona or the and then you can also play Blitz if you have an engaging team or a pickish team, I would say actually. So I'd probably say Sona just so that you have two supports to choose from depending on the situation. And actually, Yi is actually really hard to play. He's really hard to play well. Like, sure, you can face roll, but he's like Riven in that aspect. They're hard to play well, especially in higher elos. Like, if is assembled and working for the bounty board, need a small favor, some spider ants causing ruckus nearby. I don't want to. They're gross. I don't like them.
I tried to ult and it just like didn't do anything.
We're out of songs, guys. Someone request a song. Or I could just play my music again. I'll probably just do that. Ah! Ah! Who are you? Who do you think you are? Get your dick out of here. Yeah, explode, motherfucker.
What? I don't know.
There are some fucking
Let's go.
big
Let's go.
ones.
Ring our delivery service.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, they're angry. Oh, they don't like me. Please don't spit your fire at me. Get your fire ass out of here. Why does...
Well, that didn't work.
Fucker.
I mean,
Jesus.
it was supposed to work in theory.
Hate those.
But everything's perfect in theory, right?
I do.
Why are they all for you?
Yeah.
Because I'm lower health than you.
No, this.
What? Oh,
I can't do anything.
because I am beautiful.
I'm not tanking up.
What do I get?
I want a new fucking class now.
Corrosive. Can't use it.
Start building my
Incendiary.
spirit.
Can't use it. See, I have level 2 on everything except for shocking. Bullshit.
Yeah, well, I don't. So it's even more bullshit.
No, just if you're user speed, you're gonna cry. Oh, okay. I love this means war. There you go. Oh! Okay. Apparently we're listening to a Avenged Sevenfold version. Still cool. I still like Ace Max. It's fine. Why did I only get live ver- Oh, are you looking on a phone or something?
I'm gonna deliver I'm delivering your wolf to you. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'm I'm delivering you your woke. I saw Tom Kent do that with a Gromp once, and it was hilarious. Like, we were just sitting there in lane, and then, fucking he brought Gromp in the lane, and, like, here, I delivered
I'm gonna get the board back up
and I'm
here.
like, oh,
I asked Miss Helena,
come
or was
get
that
it.
loser scooter to come out PP visit? Well, not if you're gonna be a dick about it. I leveled up!
Really?
Ooh.
Look at this gym. I want to kill this gym. What?
Are we going back to New Haven now?
Come here, I'm coming
The
to get you.
J's
I'm coming to get
in
you.
town? Huh?
Ready?
How are you?
You can go there.
Oh. Oh, right! Duh. Alter Eco, Burning Heresy. MF, best boobs in game.
Kappa.
Shame on you, Jacob. Obviously, little boobs are where it's at. Come on now. Just think about it this way, Jacob. The bigger the boobs, the more they sag. And the more you have a chance to suffocate in them.
Kappa.
It's like, without the bra, they're gonna be like down here. I'm telling you. And then she's gonna be like riding you, and you're gonna get slapped in the face with tits everywhere. The little ones, they stay perky. Just stay up here. It's a good time.
Oh, I'm good.
True story.
I tried.
And then
I
to this
tried.
new religion, the
I-
bandits are creating. If I'm gonna help it, I think I'm paying it. The scriptures they preach? Oh my god, what?
I'm good at content.
Circle of slaughter and do great. Okay, speak gladiator. Forget those puny circle of death events. There could be a downside, Rock. You don't know.
What?
Fine, y'all suck anyway. Jeez, I'm just gonna... You guys are making me feel bad about myself. I'll just go like this. Jeez. Fine. Y'all can enjoy your giant tits. I'm just gonna sit over here and be sad. I know there's some looking for you. I don't like those, but it's a shotgun, so I guess we'll do it. I don't know.
Man, that takes forever.
Didn't... Why does she name them the same? Like, she has the same description for all of her quests. It's okay, Anubis. You tried. Hold on, Abby. I'm gonna overlook. Oh my god, cat! That place has been abandoned since we pulled out of Old Haven, but some bandits recently took place over now. Sizing. Handing over pamphlets.
Why was she there?
They're now
Don't.
proselytizing. That is not how you spell that word. I don't know that one. Wasn't it? It's not sure if they're really found religion.
Here. Come take this record. Take it. Take it.
You're content with your girlfriend? Oh yeah. I'm sure that makes her feel real good inside, Cam.
You want a wolf? I'm a wolf.
There's Jinx and that. Well, that's because League is a fucking video game, dude. They're gonna have everyone be giant titted for fan service purposes. But like Kalista doesn't have giant tits. I know there are others. Jinx for sure.
Oh.
Um,
Thanks.
Um,
Thanks.
who else? Who else? Who else?
Oh.
I think Riven has normal size. Wowie. Leona, yeah. Syndra. Diana, I think Diana has pretty big boobs, but Lucas said no. She's like C's, but I guess C's are normal. I just consider anything bigger than me to be big boobs. And I'm tiny, so. Olin Abbey, I'm overlooking the place is abandoned. Pulled out. Hidden some pictures. And now fuck. Advertising. Snapchat's are really fun. I'm going to grab some other person to find out what they're up to. But problem, given the plant growth, I'm scared. I think there's one of the selfish things. I think I need samples from and that's a spider ant. Eliminate using. I don't like spider ants. Iggy. No, my camera is not broke. I turned it off because I feel bad about myself for not having giant tits. Apparently, that's what y'all think is cute. Bitches.
We're gonna go to New Haven so I can turn in a quest because it has a sniper rifle for
I
right
have to go.
Okay. My cam is not broken. Know what you broke? My self-confidence. That's why my camera's off. Bastards. No. I don't want it. Y'all talking about how giant tits are the thing. You know, there are studies that say when the lower you are in the lower class you are, the bigger boobs you like. So that's okay. Only the classy men like tiny boobs. It's fine. No, it's fine. No. That's what everybody said. Rock. I'm sad now. Q. Oh god. Okay. Cat. This fucking cat. Hi, bitch. Mr. Jones. You simply must pay the man a visit if I ever get the chance. Ooh.
Oh, no fucking way.
I'm sorry.
No! The Jin. Fuck.
my sniper rifle. I got the shit. You might want the shield.
Oh, that makes me upset.
Huh?
You might want the shield that I got.
I have enough.
I got a yellow one. What does yellow mean?
What?
What does yellow mean?
Let me see.
It's
You gotta see your inventory. I'm waiting for it to open. Oh, that means that sniper rifle's probably good.
Is yellow above
Oh,
purple?
I don't know.
I think yellow's above orange even.
It's okay.
Really?
I'm just gonna run up there.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I'm just gonna keep it then. Kappa. Oh, you didn't even laugh. Is it good?
Drop it so I can compare it to what I have.
Boop.
Oh, it's orange. Never mind.
Oh, it's orange.
It just looks yellow on your screen.
Oh,
Oh! Rengar,
it's my shield right now.
I'm gonna eat you.
Shield 249.38.
Yeah.
Fire wave.
It's weaker than mine. It's more accurate, but it's weaker.
Large
You
shot
can
in
just
the
sell it if you want.
Okay. Cat.
Yeah, so that's
I might
That's
keep it
like-
just so I can snipe things if I need to.
that's like the highest quality guns is the orange ones.
Oh, that's cool. Why is it weaker than yours?
It looks like it.
She has a.
Well, actually, can you drop it again? Let me see all the stats. I didn't look at it completely.
Ow! If we're gonna talk about proportions, MF is ridiculous, and no woman could ever look like that ever. Unless they went through intensive.
Did you saw it? Can you drop it again?
What?
Drop the sniper again. I want to just look at the stat stuff. So, yeah, I just think it's, I think the biggest thing is mine's just a higher level.